How can I adopt a child and then bring that adopted child into the United States?
Good question. This is another thing that is common. I see people ask me all the time. There are different ways to adopt a child and bring the child to the United States. In fact, there are three different ways. The first one, you have to make a determination whether the adoptive country, that is the country where you want to adopt from, whether that country is a member of the Hague Convention. If that country is a member of the Hague Convention, then you have to follow the Hague Convention procedure. If that country is not a member of the Hague Convention, you can adopt a child as an orphan from that country without being a member of the Hague Convention. Orphan means there is neither parent is alive. This is not applicable where you already have a child in mind. Maybe the parents cannot afford the day-to-day care of the child. That will not qualify as an orphan. Orphan simply means someone whose both biological parents are dead. So you can adopt an orphan. Then the third option is to go through the normal process of petitioning for a biological child, in which case you go to the home country of the adopted child or proposed adopted child, you follow the adoption procedure in that country, you adopt that child, and then you come back in here and file I-130 petition for that child as if you are bringing a biological child. So those are the three different ways. But again, it depends on which method you use, depends on whether or not the home country of the proposed adopted child, whether they are part of the Hague Convention or not.
Now, is there anything that I would have to do here before that petition is approved? Like, do they need to do home studies and things, like if you're adopting a child in the United States?
Yes, if that depends on the method. I explained three different methods. It depends on the method you are adopting. Let's say you are adopting an orphan. Yes, the first procedure will be for you to set up home study here in the United States. So you want the home study company, they will come in and interview everybody living in the house. They do background investigation. They want to be sure that you are not bringing this child to be maybe a slave labor or something, or to be abused, or even to be involved in a minor abusive program. They want to be sure that there are no criminals living within the household. So they will conduct home study, do a background check, and then write a report. So that report is part of the requirement that you are going to submit to immigration when you are filing N-600, which is what the procedure you will use if you are adopting an orphan. But that may not be necessary if, for example, you are using the standard I-130 procedure. So the home study aspect would not be necessary. So that's why I said all this depends on what method you are adopting and whether or not the home country of the proposed adoptive child is a member of the Hague Convention. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Because our desire is to educate as many people as possible, we have decided to go live effective January 2023 so that we will be able to answer people's specific questions. So please watch out for our live podcast effective January 2023. Thank you.